Savannah's Gluten-Free World. I'm Savannah. I'm 9 years old. Today I have a very special guest, my grandma. And I'm at my grandma's house. Thank you for having me today, Grandma.
You're welcome anytime.
Today we will be making gluten-free pancakes. You will need 1 cup pancake mix, 1 large egg, 2/3 cups water, 1 tablespoon of oil. Make sure to always wash your hands. Mix all the ingredients until there's no lumps.
Okay, there you go.
Preheat the griddle to 350 degrees.
Pour the batter onto the griddle.
Time to flip.
We did it.
They look delicious.
Looks like they're ready.
Yeah.
Should I put it on the plate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Add any topping you like.
Do you want to put some on mine too?
Sure.
Thank you. Perfect. How many should I put on?
Just a few.
Okay. Ooh, it came out quite fast. Do you want us on mine too?
Sure.
There we go. This looks very pretty. I think I need some sprinkles on mine. Those are pretty others. Thank you, miss.
Now it's time to eat and enjoy. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!